Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So over the last update or two for Windows 11, as I have posted, Microsoft has been slowly using a controlled rollout, pushing out the new Copilot app for Windows 11, which replaces the original Copilot that used to pop out here from the right-hand side of the desktop, which was the desktop Copilot. Now, just to let you know that, in case you're unaware, that today in my region, I received the Copilot app update through the Microsoft Store, and we can see now that my original Copilot icon here to the right of the system tray is no longer, and the app now has been pinned to my taskbar, and the new Copilot app now is becoming more widely available. Now, we have focused on this app quite in depth on the channel, and basically at its heart and core, it's a glorified web app. And it's actually a little bit of a downgrade from the previous Copilot because, as I've posted previously, it seems that Copilot in Windows 11 is getting less useful because it disables the ability to adjust system settings and themes using voice commands. And I tried this out before posting, so switch to light mode, and basically it says it can't do it. So, and previously the previous desktop Copilot could do that. So it is a little bit of a downgrade. And there's two sides to this because although it's a bit of a downgrade, it is a little bit more lightweight. So it's really just a PWA, a progressive web app that's now available in Windows 11. And if we head up to our little three-dotted menu at the top and we go to app settings, you can see it's really a Copilot PWA that's now available in Microsoft Edge. So basically it's an Edge web app. And just to go through this, if you would be interested. So first of all, here to the left-hand side, we've got our recent activity or our history. Here we've got the plugins. The plugin support now available in the middle of the actual app, where previously it was available here to the right-hand side. And we've got Notebook. And you can try the app if you want to try that on mobile. And then here we've got our profile and then settings. So you've got a couple of settings: language, country, region, location, voice, chat, more, and appearance, where you can set that to light, dark, or system default. And basically it works exactly the same, just a little bit less when it comes to the ability to adjust system settings and themes. So at the end of the day, it's really what we found over in Microsoft Edge. And just on a side note, if you are wanting to know how to get the new Windows 11 Copilot app, if it hasn't been made available in your region, I have posted a whole video on that, because it's just create a web app in Microsoft Edge, pin it to your start or your taskbar, and you can do that on Windows 10 as well. And basically it's exactly the same as what we get now in Windows 11 as the now so-called new Copilot app. And something else just to bring to your attention, if we head over to our apps and our installed apps on Windows 11, you will see now that obviously it places it now as a Copilot app in the installed apps list. And the good news is that if you don't want it on your system, you can uninstall it. So thankfully Microsoft now, unlike the previous Copilot, has given us an option to be able to uninstall the Copilot app. And something else, if you want to keep it but you don't want it to be running in the background, you can set that to never, and that will use less system resources. And obviously if you do then decide to use the app, even though you've disabled it to run in the background, it obviously will then kick into gear when you do use the app, and those features will become available. But nonetheless, putting it out there, if you are unaware or haven't received it yet, I'm just bringing this to your attention. Copilot app on Windows 11 now is becoming more widely available, and the so-called desktop Copilot now is no more. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.